Bosswar95, and today I am doing a double video. I've got these two unpacked. I've got a Hot Wheel and it's called the Battle Spec. So let's open this straight away. If you're wondering how I open it, I just push it all together and then it just makes a little hole and then you just rip all the other cardboard off. So this is the Battle Spec. It looks really cool, and the driver's seat on the left. I like that little spoiler at the end, that's really detailed, and all of the whole car is detailed. Really good. So let's go on with my Nerf gun now. This. So this is the little Nerf gun that you get. So this is the little pistol. You reload, and you fire. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and this is Bosswar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's a kabam. So like that button if you like, and if you don't, you get shot. Alright then, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.